Union County deputy remains on paid administrative leave after his wife and stepson filed orders of protection against him. Now, we have reported on Deputy Max Smith in recent weeks. His wife, Kelly, alleges he's stalked and threatened her. The two are in the midst of a divorce.
Well, they had a hearing last week so a judge could decide whether to grant Kelly Smith a full order of protection against her husband. This case has led to the subpoenas of about 12 witnesses, including Max Smith's boss, Union County Sheriff Billy Breeding. 10 News reporter Ellis Rold has been following this story and has new information for us tonight. Ellis.
Union County deputy remains on paid leave after allegations of stalking and threatening behavior. Union County hired Deputy Max Smith in January of this year. In early May, his wife Kelly and her son filed temporary orders of protection against him. The first of almost a dozen witnesses testified at a hearing for those orders last week. Court filings show Kelly accuses Max of forcing himself on her, threatening her son, and choking her. Chancellor Elizabeth Asbury, who oversees Union County Chancery Court, denied our request to have a camera in the courtroom. Kelly's attorney tells 10 News Max's boss, Sheriff Billy Breeding, confirmed on the stand that Max is still on paid administrative leave. At their next hearing, Chancellor Asbury will decide whether to grant Kelly and her son full orders of protection against Max. Court documents show Kelly says Max became drunk and belligerent in May when this mugshot began circulating social media. It's a mugshot from a stalking charge involving his first wife in 2021. A prior 10 News investigation found Smith's first wife also filed 2 orders of protection against him. She accused him of tracking her car and telling her the only way she'd be leaving him was in a body bag. Max and Kelly's next hearing is in September.
10 News investigative reporter Ellis Roll joining us now. Ellis, you spoke with Sheriff Breeding today about Max Smith's employment status. Bring us up to date on that.
Yeah, Robin, Brittany, so he's still on administrative leave getting paid with taxpayer dollars. Sheriff Breeding says he's waiting on guidance from their county attorney on how to best proceed legally in regards to paying Max Smith. Now, Smith does have another court date in September, and it's not clear yet if he'll stay on paid leave until then.
And Ellis, really another important note here is that state law says you can't have a firearm if there's an order of protection filed against you.
Yeah, and that's top of mind in this case for sure. Kelly Smith's attorney tells me Union County deputies seized several firearms from Max Smith after Kelly filed in May. I asked Sheriff Breeding today if there's any chance Smith will be moved within the law enforcement agency so he doesn't have to carry a firearm on the job. Breeding says there's no plan to do that and never has been. Robin, Brittany.
All right, Ellis, thank you so much for that report.